right behind you?
Yeah, the sharks are still here. Yeah, that wasn't even. These sharks over here weren't even.
Oh, I thought you had that one on.
No.
Don't you fall in.
Oh, he's going under the boat.
Uh-oh.
Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Haven't even seen him. Oh, there he is.
There he is.
360 shark.
Big old bait ball.
Jacks are going crazy.
Yep.
I don't know what to do.
Catch a jack, right? Where are they?
They're way out there.
Where are the jacks?
They're way out there.
I can't imagine fighting those swordfish from Ireland.
You getting tired?
Yeah, yeah.
You gonna let him beat you?
Oh, sir.
There he is.
5-footer, 4.5.
Got some pictures?
Great soaks now. Again.
Oh, snap.
Oh, dang it.
Oh,
Oh, well, he still got it.
yeah.
I don't like it. I don't like it.